In the beginning, they were three, the reggae trinity of Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, and Bunny Wailer. Known as the Wailers, and prior to that the Wailing Rude Boys, the Wailing Wailers and the Teenagers, were a Jamaican ska, rocksteady and reggae band. The founding members, in 1963, were Bob Marley, his real name, Robert Nesta Marley, Peter Tosh, his real name, Hubert Winston McIntosh, and Bunny Wailer, his real name, Neville Livingston. During 1970 and 1971, Marley and Tosh worked with renowned reggae producers Leslie Kong and Lee Scratch Perry. They released 4 albums, before signing to Island Records in 1972. 2 more albums were created, before Tosh and Wailer left the band in 1974, citing grievances over label treatment and ideological differences. Then Bob Marley decided to carry on with a new lineup. They were a groundbreaking ska and reggae group, noted for songs such as Simmer Down, Trench Town Rock, Nice Time, War, Stir It Up and Get Up, Stand Up. The band topped the Jamaican charts, with Simmer Down, which was recorded in 1963 at Studio One, with the rhythm section from the studio house band the Scotalites.